Hi all, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at the Aussie dollar versus US dollar, the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, both still exhibiting a more negative tone, we feel, on an intermediate term basis. Aussie dollar in here been very sideways, and we last looked at this back here in late October, and the market's been very sideways since then, capped below resistances here at 77.30, 77.00. That leaves negative pressures from this whole sell-off. We do see a deeper breakdown threat, and remember, this is during a phase in here, particularly through early November, where we've seen the US dollar actually started to weaken slightly. The strength that we saw for the US dollar fading slightly against many G10 currencies into November as the tax reform plans have not really progressed. But nevertheless, despite the US dollar fading against some other currencies, against the Aussie dollar staying relatively firm, we do look for those bearish pressures to resurface and look for deeper threat in here for a move deeper, lower into November. Similarly here for New Zealand dollar, there has been a slightly more positive New Zealand dollar tone versus the US dollar, having had this significant sell-off in here through the second half of October with the change of power politically. We saw the sell-off in the New Zealand dollar, but US dollar weakness in here primarily driving this move higher in here for the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. But the market's setting back on Friday, and we do see maybe the US dollar strength in here fading, and maybe the New Zealand dollar weakness to return in here going into through mid-November, and looking for a more bearish theme to resume. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.